either definition on the lips, quite natural on the eyes, or a little bit more defined on the eyes, and then natural on the lips. And then I'll add more definition. So if you look straight ahead for me, so I would just tap a little bit in here. A bit of a red on your lip as well. Just have a red in my hair. But go like a little bit stronger. And so for Stef's makeup today, we're going to do what I want to call sort of one or the other. So either make definition of the eyes, keep the lips quite muted, or go really sort of a little bit stronger on the lips and then keep the eyes really, really natural. So I'm going to pop a little bit of primer. This is going to be a bit cold as well. I just thought the heater's on still, isn't it? I'll have to turn that off. Because we're going to do sort of a little bit of a trend of, what should I say? One or the other. I'm going to spritz over Stef's skin, so it might make you jump. And then I'm going to add a primer to the skin. This is like a gel primer. It's going to be a bit cold. So I think to start with, I'll make the eyes a little bit more defined and then go quite natural on the lips. Add a bit of concealer. Foundation. Just going to tap that in. Just working from the centre. Stef's got beautiful skin, so I don't need to use it all over. Just tap in. A little bit around here. And then just move it wet slightly there. Just if there's any areas, just tap in. Gently tap in. Around the nose area. And then adding just something to the eyes. So we'll go a bit of a red on your lip as well. Just have in my hair. I've got to go like a little bit stronger. And the eyes. Let's go with a little darker. Just a bit silly. I'm just going to add just a little bit there to the brow. Just going to keep the lashes really natural today. Just have a little bit more definition on the actual eye. And then using quite a matte colour. On and working this in. I like to just bring up the brow, definition, working that in. You'll be able to see that. Same on this side. And then I'll take it along the lash line. And these are really nice sort of soft creams you can use. Just working that in. I like working it sort of really close along that lash. Same on this side. And then I'll add more definition. So if you look straight ahead for me, so I would just tap a little bit in here. I'm just working the cleaner end. I'm working it if you close your eyes. Taking lash line. So working that in. Lovely if you open and look straight ahead, you can see it just opens up the eye and close. And then I'm just going to take some of this just on the toe, so if you look up just your eyes. And then I'm just going to leave it really, really natural on your lashes. So, because I'll be taking that off in a second, but it's just to show that you can obviously have a bit more definition on the eyes. Yeah. And then I'll go really neutral. Yeah. On your cheeks and your lips. Yeah. But it's just a nice way of showcasing the trend. Huh? Yeah. One or the other. One or the other. Love it. So I'm just going to tap just a nice cream blush. This is really a lovely shade for Stef because she's got really nice olive skin. I know it might not translate well in the video, but she's got just beautiful, what I call warmer toned. Just tapping that on. Lovely. So keeping it really definition on the eyes. And then I'd go really soft on the lips now. So working just a really lovely sort of pinky nice shade for the lips. Add a bit of this. It's quite hydrating as well. That just complements the cheeks. And so if I wanted to really quickly turn this into definition for the lips, I would buff down the eyes. Literally just take some of that definition away. So softening this out with the brush. Lovely the overall, put it in place again. So soothing. It's nice and relaxing, isn't it? And then I would go in just with a little bit of concealer. Small amount. I don't always like to put too much concealer direct on the lids, really, because it can move about, so you could get like more of a tinted sort of eye primer, but that just will soften it back down. Leave the note for me. So then still a little bit of the liner there. Don't mind that, do we? No. So for the lips, I'm going to do just remove that pink there.
Shocking pink.
The baby pink, isn't it? And then I'm going to add and then going in, this one actually is a nice warmer, almost like a, I would say like a yeah. It's a really a warm red. And I think this is a great way, isn't it? Just to, if you're going out, just having that definition on top of the colours. Yeah. It's going to work. So you could put a lip liner to base it with. What I like doing is just putting some of that colour just underneath, and then if you press your lips together, and then it will just transfer it to the top. And then open just slightly your mouth. And then working that just along the Cupid's bow. And if you brush your lips together, and I'm just going to make sure that's straight. You can see. Then that just gives it a instant pop. One or the other. Like it. To try and say together. One or the other. Pop of colour.
Exactly. Yeah, pop the eyes and pop the lips. You know, when you're a certain age, you haven't got a lot of time, so that works, doesn't it? Love it.
Or pink in the
Yeah.
summer.
You would do pink.
Yeah, I probably